Okay, we got this taken out in here, you can see. So we got that taken out for now. I don't know if we got to go deeper now. This is so our spring won't catch on our wood here. When we do that, we've also taken out the back. We got this taken out in here so our string won't catch on our wood here. So what we're going to do now is slip this back on, and we're going to drill for our eyes. If you enjoy my videos, please like and subscribe on my YouTube page. I'd appreciate it. If you got any questions or comments, be sure to put them on and I will get back with you. I'm going to use a 5/8" cutter here, and we're going to take this out for the eyes. So we got the eye holes drilled. So what we're going to have to do now is we need to take this out in here and take this down so we can get to where our eyes are going to set. So we're going to work on that, and then we'll come back with the next step. Thanks for watching.